If you're stuck at under 10,000 subscribers, or heck, maybe even 1,000 subscribers, let me just be real with you. It's not your niche. It's not your camera. The algorithm is not the problem. It's your mindset. And today we're going to be talking about the 3 mindset traps that are silently holding you back, blocking you from reaching 10,000 subscribers. Maybe not 10,000 subscribers. Maybe it's your first 1,000 subscribers. And trust me, this just doesn't apply to YouTube and to the socials. You can apply these principles to other areas in your life. And I'm going to be sharing with you 3 strategies to help you to get through to your breakthrough. I've been right there where you are, uploading constantly, pouring all of my heart out on all of my edits, hiring an editor, trying to keep up with the YouTube algorithm, trying to keep up with experts and the so-called gurus giving me advice that maybe did not apply to a channel my size. I feel like I was stuck in the same spot, going nowhere. Like I was pushing out all of the content and nobody was pushing the play button on my videos. Nobody was watching. Even if they were watching, they weren't subscribing. About 80% of you all are actually watching my videos and still aren't subscribed yet. And here's a shameless plug. If you like what you're seeing, if you like what you're hearing, consider subscribing. It helps the YouTube algorithm know that you like this kind of content, and it helps me to stay motivated to bring this content to you. I'll just wait a little nanosecond for you to hit the subscribe button. And if at the end of this video I've inspired you in some way, then leave me a comment. Tell me what you like. Tell me what resonated with you. And make sure when you're down there in the comment section, you don't be antisocial. Meet some friends down there. Let's get into the mindset traps. If you've ever said to yourself, what's the point of making these videos in the first place? What's the point of me showing up on YouTube? The video that I'm making doesn't really matter. We're going to use this video as not just as a video, but actually a mirror, and not just a mirror, but an actual map, a roadmap to break you through to your next level once you break yourself out of the 3 mindset traps that are holding you back from achieving your greatness. Mindset trap number 1, visibility trap. This one goes a little something like this. Nobody's watching, so what's the point of me making the videos in the first place? Why am I actually showing up on this platform? Whether it's YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. That mindset right there will keep you being invisible. When you show up like nobody's watching, then your energy, it reflects that out to the masses. When you continue to play small over there, you end up over explaining while at the same time holding yourself back and not being bold and not showing up fully on the platform. And when you hold back from showing up boldly, it prevents people from tapping into your authenticity, into your greatness, because you're holding back the greatness and people can't see it. The truth is, your audience may not be here yet, but that doesn't mean that you don't have to show up fully on your videos. Here's what I want you to do. Start creating like your 10,000th subscriber is already here. It's already watching you. Speak with boldness, speak with vision, speak with clarity, and without any hesitation. Think of your channel as if it's your home, that you're getting it ready for your beautiful guests that are going to show up to dinner, and that the people that's coming to your special dinner, they're ready to eat what you have to serve. They're not coming to judge the interior. They want to savor the delicious food or the information that you have to serve. Mindset trap number 2, the comparison spiral. You know that one. They're growing faster than me, then I must be doing something wrong. I need to do videos like them. I need to show up like them. Maybe I need to change my niche. Let me tell you something. This one is a real trap. Yes, like the trap house.
Police, hands in the air! Hey, you, don't move! I can't go to jail.
Not to mention, it's a time trap, and we know that comparison is the thief of joy. So comparing yourself is stealing your time, it's stealing your joy, and it's stealing your productivity. We all have done it. We start watching everybody else blow up, and we're asking ourselves, what are we doing wrong? And then suddenly you start questioning yourself, and you're questioning your entire flow. You start copying what other people are doing. You're losing your authenticity. You're changing your thumbnails. You're changing how you sound on screen, and worse, altogether, you end up losing yourself. And what does the algorithm do? It's all confused, just like you are. And here's the truth. You cannot grow into your greatness trying to mimic somebody else and copying other people when they're having a moment. You have to wait until the moment is destined for you, when it's your time to shine. And this is a type of mindset work that I do right in my coaching program, whether it's my 6-week program or whether it's my 1-hour program. I tap into not only views and how you're going to get subscribers and create a strategy. I tap into your mindset. Most of what you see by the big creators who have consistently shown up and grown up, they have figured out how to have the right mindset for longevity and creativity. And if you're interested in booking a one-on-one call with me, I'll leave you a link down below. I'll help you just like I help other content creators get out of the comparison trap and start building a brand that aligns with your voice. Mindset trap number 3. This is that I'll be ready when myth. This looks a little something like this. I'll be ready to grow my brand. I'll be ready to grow my business or my YouTube channel when, just fill in the blank. Maybe it's when you get a new camera or a new setup. Maybe it's when you hire an editor or a team to build your channel. But truth be told, there's no better time to start than now. You don't need more time. You don't need a new camera. You don't need a new setup. What you actually need is more truth. Stop delaying your dream and waiting for the conditions to be perfect before you decide to set up and show up. When you keep waiting, that's how you build regrets instead of building a channel that you can be proud of. Delaying your dreams until the conditions are all right and perfect, that's how you build regret and not build results. You grow into your readiness by starting messy, showing up with what you have, showing up with what you know, learning more every day as time goes on, and learning from other content creators in your community. Half of the creators that you admire, they started in their bedrooms and not in the boardrooms. Heck, I'm in my bedroom right now. This just happens to be the office part of my bedroom. If you look back at my old videos, I started with bad lighting, bad audio. I started out not knowing how to script nor how to edit, but I started. So the next time you catch yourself saying, I'll be ready when, fill in the blank, I want you to flip the script. I want you to say this. I'm ready because I care, because I'm learning, because I'm growing. I have a message that matters to people who are waiting to hear it. I'm not going yet, but I do want to leave you with something. You do not hit 10,000 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers or whatever that number is, learning every growth hack there is on YouTube or on the internet. You actually grow by becoming the kind of creator who shows up like 10,000 people are already watching you, already counting on you, already wanting to know what it is that you have to share. When you shift your mindset from who you are to who they are and who you want to reach, then the numbers don't matter, but the numbers will actually follow. And that's not some woo-woo science or woo-woo psychology, but it's a growth mentality. And I'm going to tell you why. Because people don't subscribe to perfect. They subscribe to the people who make them feel seen. And that's what I try to do on my channel. Every time that I show up, I want to have an intimate conversation with you because you really matter to me. And so does your growth. So if you're ready to shift your mindset to that 10,000 subscriber creator mindset or 1,000 subscriber mindset, whatever that number is for you, I've created something special just for you. It's a free downloadable guide that's going to help to remind you to have the right mindset all along the way. I call this the 10,000 Creator Mind Map. This is going to help you walk through your limiting beliefs. It's going to help you to reframe your mindset and your inner dialogue. And it's going to help you to understand and know the 5 traps that are holding you back from your greatness. I want you to look down below and grab it. It's totally free. It's my gift from me to you for you showing up here on this video. And listen, the goal is not just to grow numbers. It's to grow you into the person that you were called to be. I want to continue to partner with you and grow and build your legacy one video at a time. And if this video has inspired you, make sure you watch this video next. And if you want to continue to grow your business, your brand, and your mindset, I want you to watch this playlist next so that you can continue to grow on YouTube. See you next time on the next video. Bye-bye.